Hello everyone! Today we will have a new lesson about lists of search engines. This is a list of search engines including web search engines, selection-based search engines, meta search engines, desktop search tools, and web portals and vertical market websites that have a search facility for online databases. First, by content or topic. In terms of general, there are the following: Ask.com, Baidu, Dogpile, DuckDuckGo, Ecosia, Exalead, Excite, Gigablast, Google Search, Hatbot, Lycos, Metacrawler, Microsoft Bing, Mojic, Quant, Search, Sogu, Soso, Startpage.com, Swisscows, Webcrawler, Yahoo Search, Yandex Search, Yipi, and Udao. Take note that some of the search engines by content or topic are powered by Microsoft Bing, powered by Google, Meta Search Engine, and main website is a portal. Based on Ask.com, examples are iWon, Lycos, and Tioma. Based on Bing, examples are A9.com, AOL from 2015, Alexa Internet, Chow, Ecosia, Egerin, Facebook Search until 2014, Hatbot, Miss Dewey, Webcrawler. Based on Google, examples are AOL Search until 2015, BOL or BOL, Groovel, MySpace Search, Mystery Seeker, Netscafe, Ripple, Startpage.com, Yahoo Japan. Based on Yahoo, examples are Ecocho, Forest Hill, which is an ecological motivated site supporting sustainable rainforests, formerly based on Google, and Rectify, now defunct. Another is for mobile or handheld, such as Taganode local search engine and Tap2 or Tap2 mobile or social search. By content, in terms of geographically localized, examples are Acuna, Big Globe, Dayum, Egerin, Fireball, Go, Late.is, Mac2, Miner.who, Nudgety.c, Never, Pipilica, Rambler, Rediff, Sapo, Search.ch, Sesam, Cessna, Walia, Yahoo Japan, Yongxin, and Zip Local. In terms of accountancy, the example is IFAC.net. In terms of business, examples are business.com, Genie Knows, Global Spec, Nexis, ThomasNet. In terms of computers, example is the Shodan or kind of website. In terms of dark web, examples are Amiya, Grams, and Tor Search. Search engines in terms of education as in general, examples are Chegg and SkillUp. While in terms of academic materials only, examples are Base, GemRefer, SiteUlite, Google Scholar, Library of Congress. While in terms of enterprise, List of search engines are Apache SOL, Funnelback or Funnelback Search, Jumper 2.0 or Universal Search powered by Enterprise Bookmarking, Oracle Corporation or Secure Enterprise Search 10G, QSensei by QSensei Enterprise, SimilarWeb, SwiftTy, SwiftType or SwiftType Search, and TerraText Swift. In terms of events, examples are TKEX and TICX. Content by food or recipes, examples are Recipe Bridge, written as a vertical search engine for recipes, and Yummy, it is a semantic recipe search. In terms of genealogy, example is Mukavo.com, wherein it is a family history search engine. Search engines by job, examples are Adsuna, Career Builder, Craigslist, Dice.com, Glassdoor, Indeed, Jobstreet.com, Monster.com, Naukri.com, Lucy.pk, and Yahoo Hot Jobs. Content by legal, examples are Google Scholar, Lexis or LexisNexis, Quicklo, and Westlaw. Content or topic in terms of medical, the samples of search engines are Being Health, Bioinformatic Harvester, CiteHub or Antibody Search Engine for Medical Researchers, EBI, EMBL EBI Search Engine, Entrust or includes PubMed, Genenos, Helia, Healthline, NextBio or the Life Science Search Engine, PubGene, Quirtle or the semantic search of the biomedical literature, Search Medica, and WebMD. Content in terms of news, the list of search engines are Bing News, Google News, NewsLookup, Nexis, and Yahoo News. In terms by people, the examples of search engines are FindBase, PQ, Spokio, ZabaSearch.com, and ZoomInfo. In terms of real estate or property under content or topic search engines, the examples are Hotpads.com, Realtor.com, Redfin, Rightmove, Students.com, Trulia, Zillow, and Zoopla. In terms of the television, example is TV Genius. For the video games, the example is WhatsApp. Now let's proceed to the search engines by data type. In terms of maps, examples are Bing Maps, Geoportal, Google Maps, MapQuest, Nokia Maps, OpenStreetMap, Tencent Maps, Wikiloc, Wikimapia, Yahoo Maps, Yandex Maps. In terms of multimedia, the examples of data type search engines are Bing Videos, Blinks, Find Sounds, Google Video, Monax Play Audio Video, PixSearch, Pixstat, Padscope, and SeekPub. Songza, Tencent Video, TinEye, TV Genius, Vimeo, and Yahoo Video. In terms of price, the examples of search engines are Bing Shopping, Google Shopping, which is formerly Google Product Search and Frugal, Kelku, MySimon, Price Grabber, Price Runner, PriceScan, Pronto.com, Shopping.com, Shopzilla, Soup.com, TheFind.com, and TICX. In terms of source code, examples are Google Code Search, Coders, and Frugal. In terms of BitTorrent, these search engines work across the BitTorrent protocol like BTDig, Isohant, Mininova, The Pirate Bay, Torrent Spy, Torrents. For the blog, the example are Amatomu, Bloglines, Ice Rocket, Moonax, Regator, and Technorati. For the email, the example is TEK or Tech. For the forum, example is Ongili. And for the questions and answer, like human answers, the examples of search engines are answers.com, eHow, Quora, Stack Overflow or Stack Exchange Network, at Uclue, WikiHow, Yahoo Answers. In terms of automatic answers, examples are Ask Me Now, Brain Boost, and Wolfram Alpha. Let's proceed to the list of search engines in terms of by model. For the search appliances, the examples are Fabasoft, Google Search Appliance but discontinued, Moonax, Search Diamond, Thunderstone. In terms of desktop search engines, examples are Autonomy, Beagle, Copernic Desktop Search, Dog Picture, TT Search Desktop, Everything, Nomi Storage, Google Desktop, ISIS or ISYS Search Software, Locate32, Lookin, Nepomuk, Recall, Spotlight, 3G, Terrier Search Engine, Tracker, Troop Zoom, Unity Dash, Windows Search, and X1 Desktop Search. Model by in terms of child-safe search engines are Kiddle, Kidrex, and KidSearch. Search engines in terms of meta search engines by model are Dogpile, Excite, Info.com, Kayak.com, Mama.com, Metacrawler, Mobissimo, Utalo.com, Publishers Clearinghouse Search and Win. Search, Skyscanner, and Yipi or formerly Casti. In terms of natural language, examples are Ask.com, Bing, which is semantic abilities powered by PowerSet, and Lexi. The open source search engines are HTDig, iSearch, Lemur Toolkit and Indie Search Engine, Lucene, NovoSearch, Notch, Recall, Search Diamond, Searx, Six, Sphinx, SwishE, Terrier Search Engine, Sapian, Yahtzee, Zeter. In terms of web search engine, examples are Gigablast and Grok. While enterprise search, the examples are Apache Solve, Elasticsearch. For the P2P search engines, the examples are Faro or Faroo, Six, and Yahtzee, which is free and fully decentralized. List of search engines by model under privacy search engines are DuckDuckGo, Hotbot, Metagear, Mogic, Q1, Searx, Startpage.com, Swisscalls. For a social environmental focus, the example is Ecosia. While semantic browsing engines are the following: AV, which is specialized in knowledge-based and semantic search or answer engine; Sugo, searching over 10,000 ontologies or semantic web documents; Yebol, and Yamli, which is semantic web search for food, cooking, and recipes food-related. Other social search engines are the Chacha Search, Delbert, Urexter, Facebook Search, Mahalo.com, Rolio, Search Team, Spruce, Trexie. Under Usenet, the example is Google Groups, formerly Deja News. For the visual search engines, the examples are FindFace, Broker, Macroglossa, Fixta, TinEye, UZ. Let's proceed to defunct or acquired search engines. The defunct or acquired search engines are the following: AltaWeb, AltaVista, Bixby.com, Bleco, Blogscope, BrainBoost, BRS Search, BTJunkie, Quill, DeepKeep, Direct Hit Technologies, Getit InfoService Private Limited, Google Answers, GoPubMed, Hakia, IBM Stairs, InfoSeek, Inktomi, Cartoon, Lipfish, Lotus Magellan, MetaLib, Mozdesk, Munax, Myriad Search, Overture.com, PubSub, Retrievalware, Scroogle, Singing Fish, Speechbot, Spear, Tafiti, Bolunia, Wikia Search, WiseNat, World Wide Web Work. That's all for the discussion about the list of search engines. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.